Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio GM-2100. So this is going to be the metallic version of the Casio. What you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and as you can see here, the first thing that we can set is the home city. Now we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. So I'm going to press it once. Here I can set the DST on and off. I'm going to press it once again. Here I can adjust the 24-hour display or the 12-hour display. If I press the button on the right, you can see that I will be able to use the 12-hour display. So you are going to see, let's say 6 p.m. instead of 18. I prefer the 24-hour display. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can actually adjust the seconds, the minutes, and so on. So if you press the button on the right, we are going to reset the seconds to 0. If the seconds are between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If I reset to 0 between 30 and 59, a minute is also going to be added. So I'm going to show you that as well. As you can see, we have passed 30 seconds. So now if I reset the seconds, they have reset to 0, but the minute was also added. If I press the mode button once again, I can adjust the hours, and I can use both buttons in order to go forward and backwards. Also, you can press and hold any of the two buttons in order to speed scroll. So as you can see, it is going to move a lot faster, and this is very useful when you want to adjust the minutes or the day of the month. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can adjust the minutes. The same principle applies, so you can go either one by one, and you can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. You can use both of the two buttons on the right in order to go backwards and forward. Once you have set the correct time, all you need to do is to press the adjust button in order to end the process. And now the analog time, so the analog time here is going to match the digital time. In case these two do not match, or you are being shown the wrong date, you need to hand align your Casio, and I'm going to have a full tutorial on how to do that as well. Link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, guys. So that was the quick tutorial. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Once again, make sure to check out the full guide in order to know all about the functions and features on your Casio. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. Give it a thumbs up, it helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.